poppin' YouTube fam? It's your girl Plus Barb, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. This is my client, you guys. Her name is Kat. Do not mind her throughout this video. She's laughing through the most part. She's goofy as hell. But yeah, we was just catching up talking on a few things. So first, I already prepped and primed her face. So I did that off camera because I did that in my previous video. So there was no need to record that again. So right now I'm starting on the brows, and I'm doing a dark brown on the brows. Her brows were really easy to do because she already came with them plucked and ready to go. So she definitely made my job easier. As you guys can see, as I'm doing in the front of the brow, I'm just going up with this pencil. I'm not like making harsh lines or anything at the front of the brow. So I'm going in with my concealer under the brows and on top of the brows. Then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Mini Masquerade palette. I think that's what this is called. I'm gonna link it down below. But I'm going in with that like plum purple color. Now I am going in with this orange shade just to blend out that purple plum color. And I'm going in with my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use the yellow shade in my James Charles palette as well. now I am going in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base to cut this crease. This is probably one of the hardest parts about the look, besides the liquid eyeliner. Yo, my client is so goofy. Like, this is literally her the whole video. I just kept adding layers of eyeshadow because I was losing some of that color every time I get on another color. So I just kept trying to make those colors brighter. So here I'm just adding like this peachy silver type of dusk color. It's just like a really light shimmer shadow. It's really pretty on top of colors. Listen, if y'all try this look, tag me on Instagram. Okay, so one thing about it, liquid eyeliner is like one of the most hardest things I feel like about makeup to do. Liquid liner just takes a lot of energy and practice and patience. Like, liquid eyeliner literally gives me anxiety. Like, I'd be so scared to use it because it's so hard. Then it's just like, if you make one wrong move, the whole look is just off. Like, that's why it gives me so much anxiety. Oh my God. Then I'm doing double liner. Like, this was the most daring, like, bruh. I'm nervous watching this video. Like, this is the most boldest thing I think I've ever done with this liquid liner. So if you don't know, then you're going to know today. Foundation should always match your neck. Her neck and her face is two different skin tones. I mean, usually 99% of people are like that. But her facial skin was like more on the redder side. So I really just based my foundation pick off of her neck. And you guys will see that everything blended fabulous. I know it looks like it's kind of bright on here, but it will all come together. When I was doing her makeup, she was like, dang, you kind of rough. And it's just funny seeing her like expressions while I'm editing this video. But it's okay, I know her, so I can do her that way. Like, I know her personally. So chill out. Don't come for me in the comments. Here I am going in with my Morphe setting powder. And I'm just going in and setting that concealer I put on. Now it is my favorite time of all times. We are going in with the contour, of course. And we're gonna try to get this face as snatched as we can. Okay, you guys, so my camera did die. I'm sorry I did not get to end it off with you guys, but make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and press that notification bell. I am absolutely in love with this look. This turned out perfect. And if you guys recreate this look, please tag me on Instagram. Check out our business page below. I'm out. Love you guys. Peace.